In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Big Cartel in a way that's both simple and quick, taking just about 5 minutes. Whether you're just starting out or you've been selling for a while, linking your PayPal account to Big Cartel is a crucial step for streamlining your sales and boosting your business. So, let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you are comfortable using. In the search bar, type in Big Cartel and hit Enter. Simply click on the official Big Cartel website from the search results to visit the site, where you'll either log in or sign up if you haven't already. If you're new to Big Cartel, the sign-up process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to create your account. Once you've successfully logged into your dashboard, which is essentially your command center for managing your store, look towards the top of your screen. Here, you should see your initials or possibly your store's logo. Go ahead and click there. It acts as another drop-down menu and allows you to access various account settings. From this menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Get Paid. This is a critical area because it's where you'll manage how you receive money from your sales. Next, click on the pencil icon located next to Get Paid. This icon signifies that it's an editable option, allowing you to adjust payment settings. Now, once you're in the Get Paid settings, you'll see options for different payment processors, typically both PayPal and Stripe. Our focus here is on PayPal, so go ahead and select PayPal. This is the point where you'll start the process of linking your PayPal account to your Big Cartel store. Follow the prompts that appear on the screen. These will guide you through the steps, such as logging into your PayPal account to confirm the connection. This process is designed to be as convenient as possible, ensuring that once it's set up, payments can be received quickly and securely through PayPal. Remember, having PayPal linked to your Big Cartel means your customers have a trusted and widely used option to make their purchases, which can potentially increase your sales. So there you have it. Simple, right? By following these steps, you've effectively connected your PayPal account to Big Cartel, paving the way for smoother transactions and a more professional storefront. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.